Here is 10 step-by-step instructions to lose 20 pounds as fast as could reasonably be expected. 1. Check calories. It might seem like an easy decision, however tallying calories is one of the simplest and best approaches to begin getting thinner quick. Weight reduction happens when you utilize a greater number of calories than you take in, either by diminishing your admission or expanding your actual work. While cutting calories alone is for the most part not thought about a feasible method to get thinner, tallying calories can be a compelling weight reduction apparatus when matched with other eating routine and way of life adjustments. Monitoring your calorie admission can build your familiarity with what you're putting on your plate, giving you the information you need to settle on better decisions. Strangely, one audit of 37 investigations found that Get Healthy plans that fused calorie tallying prompted 7.3 pounds (3.3 kilograms) more weight reduction than those that didn't. One trusted source. Have a go at following your calorie consumption by utilizing an application or a food diary. 2. Drink more water. Increasing your water admission is a straightforward method to support weight reduction with negligible exertion. Indeed, one examination found that blending a low-calorie diet with expanded water admission before dinners brought about 44% more weight reduction over a 12-week time span. 2. Trusted source. Examination shows that water may upgrade weight reduction by knocking up digestion, briefly expanding the calories your body consumes subsequent to eating. As indicated by one examination in 14 grown-ups, drinking 16.9 liquid ounces 500 milliliters of water helped digestion by 30% following 30 to 40 minutes. 3. Trusted source. Drinking water with dinners can likewise keep you feeling full, decreasing your hunger and admission. For instance, one little investigation indicated that drinking 16.9 liquid ounces 500 milliliters of water before a feast diminished resulting calories devoured by 13%. 4. Trusted source. For best outcomes, drink at any rate 34 to 68 liquid ounces 1 to 2 liters of water every day to boost weight reduction. 3. Increment your protein intake. To shed 20 pounds quick, including more protein-rich nourishments in your eating routine is significant. A high-protein diet has been related with diminished paunch fat, just as saved bulk and digestion during weight reduction. 5. Trusted source. 6. Trusted source. Protein can likewise help lessen craving and reduction calorie admission. One examination in 19 grown-ups found that expanding protein consumption by 15% expanded sensations of totality and altogether diminished calorie admission, stomach fat and body weight. 7. Trusted source. Another examination demonstrated that burning through a high-protein breakfast diminished degrees of ghrelin, the chemical that invigorates hunger, by a lot more noteworthy degree than a high-carb breakfast. 8. Trusted source. Meat, fish, poultry, vegetables, eggs, nuts and seeds are a couple of solid wellsprings of protein that you can without much of a stretch add to your eating regimen. 4. Cut your carb consumption. Diminishing your admission of refined carbs is another valuable system to quicken weight reduction. Refined carbs have been deprived of their supplement and fiber content during preparing, bringing about an end result that is supplement poor. Also, they regularly have a high glycemic list, which implies that they are processed and assimilated rapidly. Quick assimilation prompts spikes and crashes in glucose levels, trailed by expanded craving. 9. Trusted source. Burning through high quantities of refined carbs has likewise been connected to expanded muscle versus fat and weight acquire. For example, one examination in 2,834 individuals found that a higher admission of refined starches was related with expanded midsection fat, while a more noteworthy admission of entire grains was related with less gut fat. 10. Trusted source. Another little investigation had comparative discoveries, detailing that an eating routine wealthy in entire grains diminished both body weight and calorie consumption, contrasted with an eating regimen zeroed in on refined grains. 11. Trusted source. To begin, essentially trade out refined grains in pastas, white breads, oats and pre-bundled items for solid, entire grain options, for example, couscous, quinoa, earthy colored rice or grain. 5. Begin lifting weights. Obstruction preparing is a sort of activity that includes neutralizing a power to expand muscle strength and perseverance. Adding obstruction preparing to your routine can knock up fat consuming and digestion to help you consume more calories, even while very still. One survey demonstrated that 10 weeks of obstruction preparing may build digestion by 7%, settle glucose in those with diabetes and lead to 4 pounds (1.8 kilograms) of fat misfortune in grown-ups. 12 trusted source. In the interim, another investigation in 94 ladies recommended that obstruction preparing saved sans fat mass and digestion after weight reduction, permitting the body to consume more calories for the duration of the day. 13 trusted source. Begin by heading out to the rec center or doing body weight practices at home, for example, squats, boards and thrusts. 6. Eat more fiber. Fiber moves gradually and undigested through your gastrointestinal plot, easing back the exhausting of your stomach to keep you feeling full. More. 14 trusted source. 15 trusted source. One examination in solid men found that devouring 33 grams of insoluble fiber, which is usually found in wheat and vegetables, was successful in diminishing both craving and food admission. 16 trusted source. The satiety-boosting impacts of fiber could deliver large advantages regarding weight control. One audit revealed that expanding fiber consumption by 14 grams for each day was connected to a 10% decrease in calorie admission and 4.2 pounds (1.9 kilograms) of weight reduction over a 4-month time span, even without making some other eating regimen or way of life changes. 17 trusted source. What's more, a 20-month concentrate in 252 ladies found that every gram of dietary fiber burned through was related with 0.5 pounds (0.25 kilograms) less body weight and 0.25% less muscle versus fat. 18 trusted source. Natural products, vegetables, entire grains, nuts and seeds are for the most part phenomenal wellsprings of fiber that are necessary to a sound weight reduction diet. 7. Set a sleep schedule. While no uncertainty, exchanging up your eating regimen and exercise routine are the two most significant courses to shedding 20 pounds, the sum you rest could likewise assume a job. Truth be told, one investigation in 245 ladies demonstrated that both dozing at any rate 7 hours out of each night and improving rest quality improved the probability of weight reduction accomplishment by 33%. 19 trusted source. Also, similarly as getting enough rest can set you up for progress, lack of sleep can make the pounds gradually pack on over the long haul. One examination following 68,183 ladies more than 16 years found that those resting 5 hours or less acquired a normal 2.5 pounds (1.14 kilograms) more than ladies who dozed in any event 7 hours of the evening. 20 trusted source. Another investigation demonstrated that even a solitary evening of lack of sleep can build levels of craving chemicals, which could prompt expanded hunger and weight acquire. 21 trusted source. Take a stab at rehearsing a sleep time custom every evening, adhering to a daily schedule and limiting your admission of caffeine before bed to build up a sound rest cycle and upgrade weight reduction. 8. Stay accountable. Remaining responsible to your weight reduction objectives is vital to long-haul achievement. There are various approaches to do as such. For instance, gauging yourself every day has been related with expanded weight reduction and a decreased danger of weight recapture, contrasted with gauging yourself less as often as possible. 22 trusted source. Exploration likewise proposes that hushing up about a food diary screen your admission and progress can assist you with getting more fit and keep it off longer. 23 trusted source. 24 trusted source. You can likewise take a stab at cooperating with a companion or joining an online weight reduction local area to expand your inspiration and stay on target towards your objectives. 9. Add cardio to your routine. Regardless of whether you're hoping to lose 1 pound or 20, adding cardio to your routine is an absolute necessity. Cardio, otherwise called vigorous exercise, is a type of actual work that builds your pulse and reinforces your heart and lungs. Also, it expands the calories your body consumes to help fat and weight reduction. One investigation in 141 overweight and fat members demonstrated that cardio practice alone was successful at initiating critical weight reduction. Indeed, performing cardio to consume either 400 calories or 600 calories 5 times each week for a very long time brought about a normal weight reduction of 8.6 pounds (3.9 kilograms) and 11.5 pounds (5.2 kilograms) separately. 25 trusted source. Another investigation had comparable discoveries, revealing that a half-year of cardio practice alone diminished body weight by 9% in 141 hefty more seasoned grown-ups, 26 trusted source. To boost weight reduction, focus on 150 to 300 minutes of cardio every week, or around 20 to 40 minutes consistently, 27 trusted source. Strolling, running, bouncing rope, paddling and boxing are some simple and pleasant cardio exercises that would be able to up weight reduction. 10. Eat slowly and mindfully. Care is a training that includes getting more mindful of your musings and sentiments while additionally moving your concentration to the current second. Eating gradually and rehearsing care can help increment weight reduction and abatement consumption while additionally permitting you to make the most of your food. For instance, one little investigation exhibited that eating gradually prompted more prominent expansions in satiety chemicals and sensations of completion than eating at a quicker speed, 28 trusted source. Essentially, an investigation in 30 solid ladies indicated that eating gradually brought about diminished calorie consumption and more prominent sensations of completion contrasted with eating all the more rapidly, 29 trusted source. Another audit of 19 examinations found that care intercessions had the option to fundamentally build weight reduction in 68% of studies, 30 trusted source. Have a go at limiting interruptions while eating, biting your food all the more completely and drinking water with your dinner to help yourself to lay down and appreciate. The bottom line. In spite of the fact that shedding 20 pounds can appear to be a significant test, it very well may be done rapidly and securely by making a couple of straightforward changes to your eating routine and way of life. For best outcomes, blend and match these tips to improve both weight reduction and by and large well-being. With a little persistence and assurance, it's totally conceivable to drop 20 pounds to help arrive at your weight reduction objectives in a matter of moments.